Hello, and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, here on this chart, we have seen a rally from the Tuesday low. I mean, nothing major, really, nothing that would send the price outside of the local range we're dealing with. But so far, the focus remains still on higher prices. Yeah. The support area is still holding and it's clearly being respected. I have avoided to add another support area here because, let's be honest, the movements of the last few days, they have been really messy and choppy, and there isn't really any clear evidence that the next move up has started. We are simply moving in this sideways correction at the moment. The idea is that the wave 4 bottomed actually, right? That's an idea on the 20th of December. But with all that choppy price action here, which is an absolute mess, I cannot rule out that the price will form another low in a larger wave 4 correction as shown here, yeah, in white. But that would be probably something like a WXYXZ pattern. In reality, it could just be a simplified. I think it made some sense at some point, but I think now it probably would more make sense just as a normal W, X, Y, and then the move down would be an A, B, C in an extended wave 4. Yeah, but I'll leave it with a question mark. Oops, okay, there you go. I'll leave it with a question mark for now. So, the idea is a wave 4 has bottomed there. The problem is with the move up, it will likely be just a choppy, ABC structure. Yeah, I've labeled it. I tried to give you an idea of a roadmap here. It could be an A, B, C structure in a larger A wave. Then this could be somehow a B wave. And then we could be moving up in 5 waves in wave C. I mean, that is still relevant. This is a valid interpretation. But this would most likely, depending on how high it wants to go, but we should really, in this next move up, which would be a 5th wave, yeah, we should move above, and in a healthy way, we should move above the swing high that formed on the 3rd of December at around 8 cents. This would be ideal. We want to get above that level. So what would be likely is that this is just an ABC of an A wave, B, C. This again will form a larger A. So ABC forms an A wave. A waves can be 3 wave movements or 5 wave movements. Then we get another B wave pullback and another C wave rally. If we get sort of into the region, around 11 cents, 12 cents, 13 cents. So this is where I think we will have a healthy wave 5. And we can calculate the targets a little bit more precisely once we really have a confirmed 4th wave. So at the moment, the assumption is the wave 4 bottom there, but it's not really confirmed. We haven't really broken out to the upside, yeah? So we will then be able to determine the targets a little bit better. For now, the immediate focus, I focus on higher prices, but we have to give these altcoins a little bit of space. You see, it made several attempts to rally, but always fell back into the range. I think it is important that we get a break above that last swing high around 5.8 cents. As a solid indication that the next leg up has started, which would be a C wave, and this is a 5 wave move. Invalidation point for this local scenario that a B wave already bottomed here, and again, it's not even confirmed at this stage. We can go to the 1 hour time frame. You see, there is not really much clarity there in the microstructure, especially the double bottom doesn't really provide much clarity, and there's no point in trying to count this move. But invalidate, obviously, if we break below the swing low here that formed at 4.37 cents, the B wave is simply extending, which is absolutely not a problem. Due to the double bottom process here, it makes sense to expect maybe a little bit of a larger B wave. But, until we get a 5 wave move up and a 3 wave pullback, there is no clear setup. Until then, we can use the, and this is a stable element on the chart here, we can use here the 3.3 cent level as key support for the bullish scenario. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, Make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.